Welcome to Hypertherm XPR System V1 Valve Replacement Guide video. Items and tools required for replacing the V1 valve are solenoid valve tool, flathead screwdriver, hexagon wrench and wrench. Remove the power from the cutting system. Remove the torch mounting block after marking the location. Loosen the hose clamp that holds the collar in position. Pull the collar away from the torch end of the torch lead assembly. Loosen the torch mounting sleeve. Pull the torch mounting sleeve away from the torch. Disconnect the V1 valve connector. Remove the V1 valve by using the solenoid valve tool. Rotate the tool counterclockwise. Install new V1 valve by using the solenoid valve tool. Rotate the solenoid valve tool clockwise until you hear an audible click. Connect the V1 valve connector. Make sure the pin orientation is correct. Install the torch mounting sleeve and reposition the collar on the torch end of the torch lead after tightening the hose clamp. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to contact Hypertherm Technical Service Team for further information.